Hi Elias, this is the fee-free Big Thomas the Tank Engine kiddie ride by R.G. Mitchell, so let's go. Oh, that's going off in the track modes. There we go. It's Mitchell's.
When you're ready, press the start button.
Oh, it's not moving. That's a bummer. The buttons are mixed up. The buttons are all mixed up.
You're a really useful engine. You're a really useful engine.
This button doesn't work. I need to help you with another engine. I need to help you with other engines. That's a shame, isn't it? Made by R.G. Mitchell in the 90s. Under no license. I really like this ride.
You're a really
maybe
useful
now.
engine.
I need to help you with another. I need to help you with another engines. There's Bannerhoy's Little Kingdom, but I film next. This is dedicated to Elias Flinter. POV. You're a very useful engine. I need to help you with other engines. That was the Big Thomas the Tank Engine kiddie ride by R.G. Mitchell, sighted at Pops Meadow in Gorleston.